Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to accept offers and negotiate prices on Depop. Now, to do that, you want to get yourself properly signed in by heading over to your Google Chrome browser and then just typing in Depop and ensure that you're properly signed in on Depop. Now, follow through the process of signing in or logging in, and then when you've done that, go through all of the procedures needed for you to get yourself properly signed in and to take you to the next page, which is going to be your home page. Now, selling on Depop isn't just about listing items, it is knowing how to accept offers and negotiate your offers smartly. All right, doing this can help you choose more sales and make better profit. Now, offers work on Depop when a buyer sends you an offer on Depop, where you get a notification in your app. The offer shows that the buyer proposed a particular price for that particular product, and offers are not binding until you accepted the offer. So now, to know how to accept offers on Depop, the first thing you want to do is go to your Depop platform or your app, and then head over to the message icon over here, which is your inbox. Click on it, and then you would see a particular offer message. Let's say, for instance, this particular buyer has sent me a message. I will see the offer message, and when I do, I will click on accept offer. Once accepted, the item is reserved for that particular buyer. The buyer has a limited time to complete payment, and if they do not pay on time, the item becomes available again to other buyers. All right, next, how to negotiate like a pro on Depop. Some smart negotiation tips that I would give you for your Depop platform is that you should set your prices slightly higher to leave room for negotiation. All right, you want to set your price slightly higher to leave room for negotiation. Respond quickly to your buyers, because fast replies increases your chance of sales. Be polite and friendly to your buyers. Remember, good communication would bring about good sales. Know your lowest prices. Ensure that you have your bundle discount set for buyers that would want to require discounts. Example, you can just say, hey, thanks for your offer. I can do this particular amount. Let me know what you think and if this works for you. This is how you can properly negotiate and sell to make good sales on Depop. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you've been able to learn how to accept your offers on Depop and how to negotiate prices properly on Depop. Until next time, bye for now.